You're thinking about investing into cryptocurrency, but really unsure on how to invest or where to even invest. So this video is going to explore all the different types of options that are out there for investing into cryptocurrency. So in addition to going over some different methods and ways that you can get involved in cryptocurrency, we're going to go over some of the more popular exchanges, some of the different websites and things that are out there, and some individual stock companies that might be worth your while. So despite the uncertainty of the cryptocurrency market, there's a lot of buzz going into this. A lot of people are just now learning about cryptocurrency and different ways to invest. You might be one of those people who's considering investing, so you're definitely going to want to pay attention to all the things that we go over in this video. This digital payment option, cryptocurrency, is a way for people to exchange business transactions through these coins. So these coins are actually manufactured by computers. The digital system known as cryptocurrency can actually be invested in a couple different ways. So from directly investing into cryptocurrency coins like Bitcoin, through looking at different companies that mine or manufacture the equipment that produces mining. In addition, you can invest into different types of funds. There's a couple mutual funds and more on the way. Or you can invest in different types of stocks that actually have interest or have a focus on cryptocurrency, which helps their bottom line. So there's a couple different options for cryptocurrency trading, all different price levels from beginner to expert. There are different ways that you can invest into cryptocurrency. All right, so let's take a look at some ways that you can get into the crypto game. So one of the most common and popular ways to invest in cryptocurrency is to buy directly. So what that means is you're using a couple different exchanges that you're going to go in and purchase the type of coin that you want. So these cryptocurrency exchanges are actually the online platform that allows the buying and the selling of different cryptocurrencies. Within these cryptocurrency exchanges, you have digital wallets. Those are where you're going to store the partial or full coins that you buy. So in order to invest in cryptocurrency directly, you need to use one of these exchanges and have access to a digital wallet. So these are some of the more popular and common cryptocurrency exchanges on the market right now. So the first and best and most popular overall is Coinbase. Now Coinbase has two different versions, Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. So within Coinbase, you can actually access 123 different types of cryptocurrency, from Bitcoin all the way through something that might have an initial public offering very soon. So like a lot of different brokers, there could be fees based on what you buy and sell. So you definitely want to do your research on the updated transaction fees for all of these different exchanges. Another popular advantage to Coinbase, aside from the fact that it has access to a lot of different coins, is it's somewhat user-friendly. It accepts a lot of different options to get money into the digital wallet to buy cryptocurrency. Coinbase also has insured custodial wallets, which means you can store your coins in these wallets and it's insured in case something happens. Another exchange is Cash App. Now Cash App is really for beginners. So if you're a beginner looking into cryptocurrency, Cash App also has a couple other features. It's very simple, user-friendly. It supports only Bitcoin though. That's the drawback. Cash App also allows you to transfer money via Venmo or Zelle. But Cash App does charge you an additional fee when you use your credit card to put money in, and it has weekly limits. So if you're really just looking to Bitcoin, then Cash App might be another option for you. Bisq is another option for cryptocurrency trading. So this particular exchange has 45 cryptocurrencies. Bisq has a pretty good mobile app. That's one of the pros of it. It also accepts 15 different forms of payment. Another problem with Bisq is that it has less volume than some of the other exchanges. Binance is another option for a cryptocurrency exchange. Binance is for more advanced cryptocurrency traders. It's got more features. If you're just starting out and just trying to get your feet wet, it's probably not for you. Now Binance has hundreds of exchanges and it also has low fees, but it is a little bit more difficult to understand how to use Binance. So all in all, one of the benefits of buying cryptocurrency directly is that you can invest directly into cryptocurrency through these different exchanges. You don't need to have a bank account with a Fidelity or one of those stock brokerages. So if you're not sure which coin to invest in, or if buying direct is not for you, there's indirect ways to invest in cryptocurrency. What I mean by indirect is you can vote on companies that deal with cryptocurrency or blockchain. What I mean by indirect investing in cryptocurrency is investing in companies that deal with cryptocurrency. They might mine it, they might deal with the hardware of it, or they might collect coins, or they might accept it as payment. So there's a couple different indirect or passive ways to invest into cryptocurrency. You could look into, like I said before, different stocks or companies, but in order to do that, you're going to have a stock brokerage account. You also could invest into a mutual fund that deals with cryptocurrency. There's also a lot of EFTs out there that deal with cryptocurrency. So some of the more popular stocks to invest in that are traded on NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange, you have Bit Mining Limited, you have Canaan, Coinbase Global, MicroStrategy, Square. The largest Bitcoin mining stock in the United States is Marathon. Some companies that deal with blockchain, that's the software and technology that makes cryptocurrency possible. This includes NVIDIA, IBM, AMD, and Accenture. And of course, you can invest in some companies that are ahead of the game that actually accept cryptocurrency. This includes Tesla, PayPal, Robinhood Markets. So in addition to purchasing individual stocks that deal with Bitcoin, you can actually put your money into mutual funds, which is a pool of other investors. And you actually have a fund manager that can look after different companies and things that deal with Bitcoin. Now, right now, there's very few mutual funds that deal with cryptocurrency, but it's estimated that several more will pop up in 2022. There's a couple EFTs out there. There may even be some index funds for cryptocurrency down the road. So if you're just not sure about cryptocurrency, looking into a potential mutual fund might be something that you think about, especially if there's a professional managing that account for you. So the next steps in investing in cryptocurrency is determine your plan of action. Are you going to buy directly? Are you going to look to buy stocks that deal with cryptocurrency? Are you going to look at mutual funds so that your funds can be managed with a portfolio manager? So figure out what you plan to do, figure out what coins you want to buy, what coins you want to invest in, what type of action you're looking to get into with cryptocurrency. There are so many cryptocurrencies out there. It's very important that you understand what you're investing in. Do your due diligence, look into the different coins, and of course, dealing with this is a risk. Certain cryptocurrency coins are a little bit more tried and true at this point, but it's still a relatively new concept that is trying to find its way in this world. So it could be a nice risk reward. Of course, do your own research and put in the time to understand what you want to do. Figure out a stockbroker if you don't already have one. Figure out a Coinbase exchange program, one of the ones maybe that we went over, or see if there's another one that strikes your fancy. Now, nobody can deny the fact that cryptocurrency is taking off and it is very popular and it is only going to grow in that regard. More and more companies will most likely eventually start leaning towards cryptocurrency as a method of payment, which can only help cryptocurrency. So I hope you guys found this video very informative and helpful to kind of look at different ways and how to invest into cryptocurrency and what are the options for investing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.